Balcony decoration, enhancing your outdoor space. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful world of balcony decoration. Whether you have a small or large balcony, there are endless possibilities to transform it into a cozy and inviting outdoor space. So, let's dive in and see how you can make the most of your balcony. Balcony decoration refers to the process of designing and beautifying the outdoor space of your balcony. It involves selecting furniture, plants, lighting, and decorative items to create a pleasant and functional area. The key is to choose elements that not only enhance the visual appeal of your balcony but also match your personal style and the space's functionality. Choosing the right furniture is crucial for balcony decoration. Opt for compact and multi-purpose furniture that fits your space and serves your needs. Folding chairs, a small table, and hanging shelves are great options. Remember, the goal is to create a comfortable seating area without overcrowding the space. Plants play a significant role in balcony decoration. They bring life and color to your outdoor area. Consider a mix of potted plants, hanging baskets, and even a small herb garden. Select plants that thrive in your climate and balcony's sun exposure. Greenery not only beautifies your space but also provides a refreshing touch of nature. Proper lighting can transform your balcony into a magical place at night. Use soft, ambient lighting like fairy lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lights to create a cozy atmosphere. Additionally, decorative cushions, rugs, and wall art can add personality to your balcony. These accessories can reflect your style and make the space more inviting. Decorating your balcony is a creative and enjoyable process that can significantly enhance the enjoyment of your outdoor space. By carefully selecting furniture, incorporating plants, and adding the right lighting and accessories, you can create a beautiful and personalized balcony. We hope this video has inspired you to start your balcony decoration project. Happy decorating, and see you in the next video.